I did the impossible. I went ahead and started a brand new YouTube channel and scaled it to 5,000 subscribers, 5 million views within 30 days. In 2016, I started my first YouTube channel. I made video after video for years and years and years and wound up with absolutely nothing. I started over 18 different social media channels spanning from everything between fitness, finance, self-help improvements, funny videos, COD videos, Minecraft videos. I was making videos about everything on the books and was going nowhere.
Hey, what is up guys? It is Tossing Tomahawk back with another video.
This one quote kind of changed it all for me, and I really deep dived into it, and I was spending days and days and days researching and thinking about this one sentence. Provide videos that people want to watch. But what do people want to watch? How do I find out what people want to spend time listening to and consuming? Well, that's when I went to the source, Mr. Beast, also known as Jimmy Donaldson. This guy has consistently made videos with over 100 million views on average for the last few years. And how was I going to make a YouTube channel that was actually wanting to be viewed by people if I wasn't going to make one about Jimmy? I went ahead and started a channel known as Beast Facts. You can find it on YouTube right now. I uploaded a total of 30 videos before one of my videos popped off and got 4.1 million views while I was out vacationing and not spending any time doing this channel. In 30 days, I scaled the channel 5,000 subscribers and 5 million views, almost to the threshold of monetization. And honestly, I had never seen that type of growth before. What were my lessons? What were my takeaways? And how could you probably do the same thing? Well, after making 18 different social media channels over the past 6-7 years, I learned one valuable thing.
That no one cares about me at all.
People want to watch engaging, entertaining, and educational content, and if they're not, they're going to click off the video. Mr. Beast is one of the best creators in the world, so having this test opportunity to make a video about him was a great way of understanding the YouTube algorithm and consumer psychology. So now when I make videos, I'm going to be using my hands. I'm going to be trying my best to add stock photos, stock videos, and this guy. But apart from all of that, I want to make videos that people care about, that people love, and people want to learn from. So that is why I'm making this video right here, because I have a feeling that people want to learn how to also be better creators. And if I can help share the wealth and spread the wealth, then that is all the difference. I'm going to start making more vlogs about Florida, making more understandings about credit cards and finances and my more fitness related goals, so people can also understand what I'm doing in my Facebook group, so I can also help share the wealth and spread the wealth to agency owners, to other business owners, people that actually want to make money online and they don't know how. All of that content is stuff that I feel like people actually want to consume and actually want to watch, because there's an actual even value exchange of view for a piece of value. If I could leave you with one piece of advice, try to make a YouTube Shorts channel with this type of concept. Don't copy me with Mr. Beast, but go ahead and start to play around and try to get as many views as you possibly can, making content that people want to watch. Go subscribe to Beast Facts. I'll see you later!